Hi, my name is Leslie Rivera, and I am a curriculum developer at AVIXA. My parents immigrated to the United States from El Salvador in the 80s. They moved to Washington, D.C. because of a large number of fellow immigrants and family in the area. It was important to them to stay close to one another, even if they were far from home. This sense of unity has been passed down to me and plays a big role in who I am, both personally and professionally. Music is an important part of the bond I share with my parents, and it unites the Hispanic community overall. My fondest memories are centered around music. As a child, my alarm clock on Sunday mornings was the sound of my dad singing along to rancheras. As a teen, I remember the choreographed group dance routine that we did at my quinceañera and how funny it was to watch us awkwardly dance reggaeton in front of my parents. We typically visit El Salvador during holidays, and music can be heard everywhere. There's mariachi bands walking around for hire and big festivals set up in town squares with live bands and parties that never seem to end. These are the types of festivals my parents frequented in their youth, and that my mom would perform at as a drummer in the marching band. I remember seeing these grand setups and thinking, I want to go to every show I possibly can. When it comes to Latinx music, it's about unity and uniqueness, the various genres and styles of dance with trademark steps that can all be embellished to let your unique personality shine through. I have made friends on the dance floor without saying a word, other than singing along to the lyrics or the occasional cue of 1-2 step. Whether it's bachata or cumbia or Latin alternative, I love listening to music in Spanish because it brings me closer to my roots. I have made good on my promise to my younger self and found myself in a career that allows me to be a part of the show. I am excited to work with an industry of lifelong music fans that are dedicated to making every show a fond memory for the audience.